Hello people, welcome back with video of my orange juice recipe. I have 4 medium orange already peeled, so now I'm going to crush it until it is properly crushed. So as you can see, I didn't add any water because I just want it to be creamy. So guys, if you are subscribed, follow me on all social medias. Check my channel out for other videos you might find helpful. Head videos, cooking recipe, lifestyles, juice recipe. I have them all here. So already crushed, and now I'm going to be sieving it. Follow me on all social media network, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest. The same name, Lady B Varieties, is what I am using. So now I'm going to just squeeze it and do it and scoop it until everything is properly scooped. So guys, if you want quick videos, family videos, cooking recipes, all the videos, I have them all here. Pastries, cooking, different type of recipes available. Follow me and turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload you will be notified. So yeah, I am done sieving, so I will add in my ice and I will add it to my cup and I will add in the juice. Look at that. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.